Tired of pasting tables as ugly screenshots in Gmail? Learn how to send a live, editable table in under 2 minutes. I'll show you the exact copy-paste trick from Google Docs. Just follow these 8 simple steps. Start by navigating to the Gmail homepage, where you'll see your inbox. Then, click on the Compose button located on the top left sidebar to open a new email. In the To field, enter your recipient's email address. Now, add a subject line to give your email a clear purpose. Click inside the message box to place your cursor where you want the table. Next, copy the table you want to send, for example, from a Google Docs file. Open it and copy the entire table. Go back to Gmail and paste the table by pressing Ctrl-V on your keyboard. Finally, click the Send button to deliver your email with the table included. And that's it! You've successfully sent a table in Gmail. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.